pa and air koswa as we speak. Portable. Yentimi in dealing with some of these. Portable. I say, Entinano pay a better boss. Now, who share the situation and this is it. Exactly, bridge I asked that boka. I invest this car eye. Yentie wire is abandoned as we speak.
Senior man, you know so bakuni na bridge bia ya to the Duaku any sewia main road na bridge no my bridge na wie aka se ebe fele ho amaka atima faso in fact if you top na beto ha enye kra ka ntimi fa my bridge ni nyina wie aka se kombe fele ho
Akoma 87.9
ka atimi
Portable.
eno nko ana main bridge no
Portable.
bridge kase pa no ni
Portable.
oda ntia so pa my bridge na kama
Portable.
Akoma FM.
Okay. That is the situation. Now watch this. Kotei-Deduaku major road the link. And ya bridge awie ya boka. Ya se bridge o nyame adom. My bridge na wie. E dia na si yentimi enka ntete engu bridge so. And when him bridge bi ayaya it take more time. Be about 1 month or 2. Said the bay bridge no nsuo no be ma no awo ansan kwa na kan tete agu ho. These are basics and ye nyina yete ase. Now ade we had the for more than 6 months to almost a year. Our residents away area ho nyina I take you from a different route ansan kwa no maba. And ye ko ye ba na chese. So why I said there where you Kotei ya. Now as you watch it, look on Facebook page Akoma 87.9 FM. Portable. And I am penning for you. And the kitty basic things bia SN Tinano payment portable. Portable. And obi de buy a coffee. Ya bridge ni ya ye ya bridge no. Abaya da Roma, why bridge na wie. And to the almost send us abaye. Odi abra na be kan tete egu bridge ne so na enya more trouble no be antimi emfa so na ye hontoyen. But the point is that should we sit down now one thing when to hear ya de atwede na ato so and I just said now
we say we eso che da kodwom de no
eso
it's almost like a friend said ye no
eso che da kodwom de
yes da kodwom de no bebre ya so che da kodwom de no bebre now
and the kodwom de asat enra oma kan tete
yes and it's a good call because you say they will pose a lot of danger especially when enkra anasen kwofo faso hwe say they we mo de atosu we are asade friend say and tabo mo de akusu and no say ehun koto chima kakra bi pe enkra be kwakoshim and ye twen ma danger bi aba ansa na ye de say be gu yeti aba be kabrofo akese de akere kwofo we taxpayers money for a very long time omo yes ade we ko fihwe the way anenwa esi aye
the worry crown say as we speak the nkofo a ewo ho a wo mo pe baabi na wo mafa and all that nina. So the question is what happened DNS at common bridge
we any atosu de na yayepe atosu de no mo ye no atosu
highway no
yes eno na yayepe because eso kese pa na we kofi hydro for no na ya no mo in charge of storm drains near there.
Okay.
Now they are telling me say they don't know anything about this because near bridges ni na ya mo ye yes mo ye in charge.
Okay,
so now they can't speak to this because omunim ho hwe nti ye misa assembly no and now we are going to ye come honom na yakwa find out who is in charge of that way and some contract to kofi hwe beyond the assembly.
Oh yeah.
Yes, beyond the assembly because we involve a lot of money. Sikadusu po na ye de be kwa shame. And say nye hydro for na we nanka ye nim se nanka bi e be share under Ministry of Works and Housing
Works and Housing.
omo no mo ye akese no and at the Ministry of Works and Housing so hydrological department and omo ye in charge and omo so say omo nim ho hwe nti ene hwan na ye sa aban na edin sika eye na share under Ministry of Works and Housing there. Then we should also get to know details of Sanema. We say be ya pose extra danger to omo water environment no because nkrafa so go school omo ko ba da bia nti hwe ehun nyina na fufufu yo nti sa na adwo bi kokofa ho no mo a bibia ni ho no mo eche se ehon no mo ye safe bibia ni ho no mo eche se ehon no mo ye safe ehon nyina na afui and so se koba ni say dia any danger na pose to the very to that community the Diakofo is their movement is in danger.
And that is a serious one. You get in touch with the authorities. Wanna make this raise all these concerns. But Enra, now Enra moko risks.
Yes, Kofi.
And risks are moko with all the food and everything. Yakoko share said